Here we are in Holmes Chapel this morning, installing a Starlink. Nice rainy day. This customer previously had a generation 2 Starlink in that spot there. I've showed up with an anti-slip mat, double flagged, with brown plugs right the way through both for that extra weight. All screwed down nice and secure. Clear line of sight. We've used a Starlink cable, ran it along the back of that guttering, down a downspout and through an existing hole into the comms room, where it then links up to the customer's mesh system and kicks out speeds of over 400 megabytes per second all throughout the property. This is Aaron, professional Starlink installation.